Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to redeem voucher code. So in order to redeem your voucher code, you can follow these simple steps. Open up a browser and on the web address bar, you can go ahead and type in the link. That is voucher.co.uk gift card redeem. That's going to take you to this field where you could go ahead and log in, or you could just go ahead and simply enter in your gift card number. So right over here, you can see enter the code from your gift card to redeem voucher wallet credit. The value will appear in your voucher wallet immediately after redeeming. So go ahead and enter or type in the code, and when you've actually done that, click on redeem. If it seems to be valid enough, then it's going to be added to your voucher wallet. Likewise, you could also see that how you could go ahead and use it, all of that necessary details. So that's basically how you can redeem your voucher gift card or your redemption code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.